Today you will be learning how you can easily update ChatGPT to the latest version on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all you'll have to swipe up and tap on that gear icon to head over to the settings of your phone. Then you'll have to scroll down all the way until you find an apps option. Once you have found that, you'll have to tap on apps option, and then you will have to navigate through this list, and you'll have to look for ChatGPT. Once you have found it, you'll have to click on ChatGPT, and after that you'll have to first go to the storage section, and you'll have to tap on clear cache. It will help you clear all the cache files and to provide you a fresh start. Then go back one step and scroll down all the way, and you'll have to tap on app details in store. Once you'll do that, you'll be able to find an option of update. In my case, it's an option of open because I've already updated it to the latest version, but in your case it might be update, and all you'll have to do is to tap on that update option to update ChatGPT to the latest version, and you'll be good to go then. I hope this helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button below and like the video. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.